This is how I set up my painting area. I have my paper to paint on, my picture, tape if I want to mask my paint, sponge, brushes that I plan to use, palette, water, more brushes in case I need them. I always have a spray bottle, bleed-proof white, and drawing gum. I keep an eraser handy too. And then for those emergency times when you have to sop water, I also always have tissues on the page. The reason I set it up this way is I'm right-handed, so I have my paint on my right side so that I'm not doing this. Going to my sponge to adjust my water control, and maybe, I did drip across there with a clear drip, maybe dripping on my painting in places that I don't want it. So my water control is right here, and I can paint over here. And my water is very handy for rinsing. I keep 2 jars. I keep one for really clean when I want really clean. And then this one I change a lot because it gets dirty. I hope this is helpful. Oh, and this is a tool I use with most paintings to help get your values right. And I have another video about that, about getting values right. I hope this was helpful and that you enjoyed it. Please do hit the like, the subscribe, and the bell. Thank you so much for watching.